Hi, everybody. Happy Monday. I hope you had an amazing weekend. Today, for this episode of Monday Masters, I'm going to be talking about a very special product that I think is kind of underrated and not really talked about enough, and that is our Excel Builder Clear. Excel Builder Clear is our strongest, hardest builder gel in the Kokoist USA line. Now, note that I said hardest. There is a reason I said that. Excel Builder Clear is in fact the hardest thing we have in the line, but it is still a semi-hard builder gel. We are a soft gel line, so there are no true hard gels in the actual Kokoist USA collection, which means that these products are much more easily self-levelable and they are all soak off. So even though you can do sculpted extensions, really long nails, really super hard, strong overlays with the Excel Builder Clear, it is still technically a semi-hard gel, so it will still technically soak off of your client's nails. You'll see in the notes up here that it does say it requires a base for adhesion. We obviously recommend our Mega Stick base, which is the stickiest, most rubbery, kind of flexible, high adhesion base gel that we have in our collection. It marries very well with the hardest gel that we have in the line. Because it's so hard and because it's designed for strength alone, it is not a base. You'll notice that this brand or this product does not have the word base in the name because it is not designed to be applied directly to the natural nail. You need that base because this gel is so hard. It has no adhesion capabilities whatsoever, and it needs that Mega Stick base. Excel Builder Clear is available in the 4-gram pot as well as the 20-gram pot. So if you want to try it out, you can try the 4-gram pot, and then if you fall in love with it, like I think you might, you can invest in the 20-gram pot, and that'll get you a little bit more legs. Something to note here, because this is a very hard builder gel, it is definitely stickier. It's going to self-level, but it's going to self-level a little more slowly. It's got a higher viscosity because of the actual hardness of this product. So if you are used to something like the Nail Thoughts tinted builder bases or like the platinum filler base in the way that they are a little bit softer, a little bit of a looser viscosity, they're going to self-level and move a little bit more quickly than the Excel Builder Clear would. But all you have to do is have a little bit more patience and maybe be a little bit more gestural and a little more purposeful with where you are applying this product and working with it a little bit more than expecting it to work for you. Because of the high viscosity of this product as well, it is very popular for use for 3D designs. You can do those really cool kind of blobby, organic, very kind of like amoeba looks that are very popular right now using the Excel Builder Clear quite easily. Excel Builder Clear is also the only builder that comes in our collection that does not have the option of being in a bottle or in a pot. It only comes in the 4-gram pot or the 20-gram pot, not in a bottle or in a refill size. That is because of its viscosity. If we were to take something with such a high viscosity and put it into a bottle or a refill bottle, it would be next to impossible to get all that product out of the bottle, to use it, to refill your pots, anything like that. Because it's so thick, you would end up wasting a lot of product. So by keeping this high viscosity product inside its own pot, you are getting every penny worth of your investment here. So if you are in love with Kokoist products, if you've played with the Nail Thoughts builders, if you played with the platinum filler base and you are loving them, but maybe you're not getting the strength that you're looking for, or maybe you've got those long nail girlies opposed to your short nail girlies that are just not getting what they're looking for out of our softer products compared to the Excel Builder Clear, I highly recommend you pick this one up and give it a try for those girls, because I swear it's a really amazing builder product and it really holds on beautifully while feeling really natural still because of that semi-hard consistency. It just feels very wearable, very natural, even though you've got beautiful long talons. Just don't forget, if you're going to use the Excel Builder Clear, you've got to put that Mega Stick base down first. One without the other is not going to do you any favors. And that's easily memorable because this is called the Excel Builder Clear. It's not called Excel Builder Base. It's just Excel Builder Clear, not like the Nail Thoughts Builder Bases, Platinum Filler Base, Mega Stick Base. The word base is not in this name because it is not a base designed to go directly on the natural nail. So there you go, a few more tidbits of information about the strongest builder gel in our line, the Excel Builder Clear. As always, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, we have our cute little question area down below in the comment section. Feel free to drop your questions in there and I'll do our very best to get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, I hope you have a super amazing work week. Enjoy yourself, and we will see you right back here next Monday for another episode of Monday Masters. Take care.